Hello, this is Jerry from Incognito Arms, and I received a package today from a friend of mine. He wants me to test drive something for him, do a little quality control, and see if I like it before I send it on to him. This is a product from X Products. Let me see here. Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, that looks just real beautiful. Let's see here. What do we got here? Let's free this beast. Ooh. Oh. Well, let's see here. Oh, that looks dangerous. Let's see if we can't pull this thing out of here. Oh, it's got teeth. It's very dangerous. Yes. Oh boy. Oh. Yeah, that looks real dangerous. She's got teeth on it. Oh boy. This looks like a whole lot of fun. We're gonna have to do some thorough testing before forwarding this to its final destination. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Stand by for more video on the proper application of this apparatus.